A visit to the Swedish city of Gothenburg will add excitement to your life. Among other attractions, it is renowned for being home to one of the 3 tallest drop towers in Europe. Experience the excitement as thrill seekers are elevated to 100 meters before plunging at a speed of 109 kilometers per hour, subjecting them to exhilarating 4G overloads. Surprisingly, the tower, initially designed as an observation point, still provides a captivating view. Amidst the breathtaking scenery, one must overcome the fear of the drop to fully appreciate the surroundings. An advanced cutting-edge 4D massager, Moza Ai RoboHands, employs artificial intelligence to deliver therapeutic massages tailored to each individual participant. 8 kneading nodes mimic the motions of a human hand, while 3 heating nodes offer relaxing heat therapy. The tapping and vibration features also work to improve lymphatic circulation and immunity. Environmentally and dermatologically conscious materials are used in its creation by a group of German designers who have won awards for their work. It offers a library-quality quiet experience and is driven by a brushless motor that runs at 4,500 revolutions per minute. Relaxing your neck, releasing tension, improving blood circulation, and alleviating sleeplessness are all possible benefits. In addition to physical touch, this innovative product also induces profound emotional relaxation by its warming smell and soothing aroma. One such general-purpose humanoid robot is the Fourier GR-1, created by the Chinese robotics and AI firm Fourier Intelligence. Helping patients with rehabilitation, assisting factory workers, and entertaining hotel guests are just a few of the many locations in which GR-1 can be deployed. The goal is to construct 100 GR-1s by the year 2023, making it the first mass-produced humanoid robot in the world. GR-1 can walk, run, jump, lift, and operate objects with great precision and agility, thanks to its 40 degrees of freedom throughout its body. With a maximum hip torque of 300 nanometers, GR-1 can walk at 5 kilometers per hour and lift things up to 50 kilos in weight. GR-1 can sense its environment, interact with people, and learn from its mistakes thanks to its high-tech sensors, cameras, and microphones. No matter which track you pick, the H2O Go guarantees laughter that will leave your sides aching, according to the creators of this ride. Embark on a thrilling adventure in a massive balloon, challenging your balance on one of 4 tracks. The Sidewinder track, known as the world's longest, promises an exhilarating experience. Imagine hopping into a water-filled balloon with friends, covering a distance of 350 meters. Organizers welcome even 5-year-old kids on this ride. Head to New Zealand to try it, and if you change your mind, there's always the option of a trip to Hobbiton. Enjoy the excitement and test your skills on this unique balloon ride, a journey filled with fun and memorable moments. For the pinnacle of mixed reality headsets, go no further than the latest Varjo XR4 series. The XR4 series allows you to experience lifelike visuals with the same level of detail and natural eye movements as a person. With its 2 4K mini LED screens, it offers breathtaking contrast, brightness, and color accuracy. The 120 degree by 105 degree field of view is made possible by full-dome aspheric lenses. Intuitive gaze-driven autofocus and high-resolution pass-through are made possible by 2 20-megapixel cameras. With the use of long-range LiDAR, eye tracking, and reconstruction of ambient light, we can achieve precise depth perception and lifelike illumination. With inside-out tracking and Varjo controllers, interacting with the system is a breeze. For a more immersive listening and talking experience, try using DTS spatial audio with noise-canceling microphones. We've reached Darwin, Australia, to explore Crocosaurus Cove. Dive into the excitement as you descend into the unique aquarium called the Cage of Death for an adrenaline rush. A 15-minute encounter in the cage is unforgettable. Staying calm amidst 5-meter-long crocodiles is a challenge. These giants, with a biting force of 3 tons, swiftly move to snatch food. Tickets for 2 people cost $187. A new type of flying aircraft known as Roadrunners are capable of flying through the air like a jet and landing like a helicopter. It is a highly intelligent and nimble air vehicle that can either be piloted by a human operator or flown by itself with the assistance of artificial intelligence. It is able to transport a variety of payloads, which can be utilized for a variety of missions, including warfare, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Roadrunner is a difficult foe for any adversary because it is capable of reaching speeds of more than 900 kilometers per hour and doing maneuvers that need a high G-force. As a result of its ability to return to its base and be launched once more with only minor maintenance, Roadrunner is not only reusable but also cost-effective. Roadrunner is a new technology that combines speed, stealth, and intelligence. It is the most advanced aircraft in the future of air combat. The GGBY Festival takes place annually in the United States, providing a variety of entertainment. One of the main highlights is walking and performing stunts over 122-meter high canyons. The festival offers thrilling activities like base jumping and swings, alongside engaging workshops and concerts for continuous entertainment. An urban-class car that is both compact and maneuverable, as well as a motorhome that can accommodate up to 4 people and is fully equipped, the KNAUS Tourer CUV is a groundbreaking vehicle that combines the best of both worlds. An revolutionary pop-up roof that expands the interior space to 2.17 meters of headroom, a versatile living area with a foldable toilet, and a contemporary design with LED lights and a bridge light are some of the qualities that it possesses. The pop-up roof is constructed from a material that is not only durable but also waterproof and insulated, and it can be straightforwardly manipulated by electric linear motors. A chassis that is based on the Volkswagen T6. One bully provides the Tourer CUV with the highest possible level of driving pleasure and the highest possible level of enjoyment for your travels. Approximately $25.2 million worth of cleaning robots was sold worldwide from 2015 to 2018. However, a common problem is that these robots face difficulty with stairs. Singapore addressed the challenge using S-Tetro, a stair navigating robot. Consisting of 3 blocks housing 6 motors, the robot boasts advanced computer vision through cameras, ultrasonic sensors, and lighters. Designed for seamless stair navigation in both directions, S-Tetro demonstrated promising results in tests. However, its future in mass production remains uncertain. With the use of advanced robotics and cognitive technology, the Motoroid 2 is an experimental electric motorcycle that gives its rider the capacity to interact with it. This is made possible by the motorcycle's rider. It can recognize the face and gestures of its owner, keep its equilibrium, and walk on its own without any assistance from a human instructor. Furthermore, it is outfitted with a one-of-a-kind leaf structure that is able to adapt to the rider's position and exchange information with them through the utilization of haptic input. As a living machine, Motoroid 2 is designed to be able to form a profound connection with its user, comparable to that of a friend or a constant companion. In addition to Jinki Kano, which is a term that describes the excitement of being one with the machine, this is a concept model that analyzes the potential applications of human-machine interactions in the future. China's automotive industry has achieved notable success and emerged as the world's largest automobile exporter, according to 2023 results. The local company's product, Yeefung, stands out in the domestic market with over 21 million units sold. Notably, they've created an innovative car parking platform using laser navigation, boasting a remarkable accuracy within 5 millimeters. This system significantly enhances typical parking garages, increasing capacity by up to 40%. Beyond that, Yeefung's advanced intelligent parking system can efficiently handle up to 1,000 platforms simultaneously. The success of Yeefung in the market is a testament to its efficiency and impact on parking solutions. The German company Ottobock aims to simplify professionals' lives with the assistance of its surplus skeletons. Introducing the Pexo series, the world's smallest exoskeleton, the Pexo Thumb, and the innovative Pexo Shoulder. The Pexo Thumb is a remarkable success, recognized for its compact design. Meanwhile, the Pexo Shoulder operates without electricity, utilizing levers, springs, and cables. This unique exoskeleton enables efficient arm movement, making it ideal for various individuals, including mechanics and those in construction. With a focus on simplicity and versatility, the Pexo series offers groundbreaking solutions for a diverse range of users, providing enhanced mobility and support for tasks requiring raised arms. A watercraft known as the JetCycle Max is designed to allow you to fly through the water using only your own leg power. Because it is equipped with 2 carbon wings known as foils, it can be lifted off the water when you pedal at a sufficient speed. It includes a pedal system that is easy to use and rapid, and it distributes the power of your muscles to a propeller that is located at the back of the boat. In addition to that, it comes with 2 levers that allow you to regulate the height as well as the direction of the flight. Designed and manufactured in France, the JetCycle Max is a bicycle. It is safe, fun, and beneficial to the environment. Anyone who stands between 1.5 meters and 2 meters tall and weighs between 40 kilograms and 100 kilograms can use it. You are able to utilize it on waters that are calm, such as rivers or lakes. Each year, more than 400 million air travelers face the challenge of finding a place to relax at the airport. AirPod, a Slovenian company, provides a unique solution in the form of capsules where travelers can check their smartphones, enjoy a quiet snack, or take a nap. These capsules serve a dual purpose, transforming into mini offices with adaptable furniture, air conditioning, and free Wi-Fi. A prototype showcased at a Dubai exhibition attracted considerable attention, and the creators are confident in the potential sale of thousands of these capsules. Testing is set to occur in airports in the United Kingdom and the United Arab Emirates. The innovative design aims to enhance the airport experience, offering comfortable spaces for various activities, from relaxation to work. Vook E Trike. One innovative electric tricycle that manages to be both fast and environmentally friendly is the Vook E Trike. Its distinctive shape evokes a classic toy car, but it's loaded with cutting-edge electronics and functions. On a single charge, it has a maximum range of 110 miles and a top speed of 40 miles per hour. It features 4 different speed settings, an LCD screen that is resistant to water, cameras up front and back, a GPS tracker, and regenerative braking. Along with a specially built cargo trailer, it features a keyless entry system that can be activated by fingerprint or an app, as well as a motion detector and an alarm system. There are a variety of colors and battery capacities available for the Vook E Trike. Currently, it's available for pre-order on Indiegogo at a discounted price. Riding the Vook E Trike is like taking a stand. Jasper Mason, a British student, designed a portable CNC machine that looks like an exoskeleton for a single arm. Melançon's innovative machine, featuring 8 motors, underwent successful testing with a welding torch. Similar to traditional CNC machines, a computer strategically positioned on Melançon's back controls the tool's path. The ultimate aim is to enhance the machine's versatility by making it compatible with various tools, empowering craftsmen to effortlessly handle intricate tasks. In addition, he plans to integrate virtual reality technology into the machine, opening up new possibilities for enhanced functionality. The global advertising market is filled with surprises, featuring both advanced technology and significant investments. In 2023, the global volume reached $842 billion. A notable contributor was the Polish company, Screen LED, renowned for its innovative LED displays. They introduced a distinct income-generating solution called Box LED, a dedicated unit for displaying ads. Customers can choose a car with the pre-installed Box LED or buy the unit separately. This device shows advertising videos from a PC or laptop, featuring automatic brightness adjustments. For more, the displays are weather-resistant, capable of withstanding rain and winds up to 20 meters per second. This forward-thinking approach by Screen LED offers a versatile and weatherproof advertising solution for businesses and advertisers alike.